Hello everybody, I am Kapil and I am at NRF Converge and we are enjoying it a lot. Looking at the latest trends and retail technologies. Great sessions. And here is with me Sudhanva from CoreView Systems at their launch of new conversational AI based smart sales assistant solution.
Hey Kapil, thanks for joining me for the launch.
My pleasure, Sudhanva. Sudhanva, we have already seen a number of things changing from the pre-pandemic to post-pandemic era. So now that we are into it, how do you see this shopping season different?
See, everyone is talking about the before and after pandemic experience. But I see a major difference in the experience within the last and this season itself, in this extended pandemic. Last year, the online shopping was the only option. But this year, with more people getting vaccinated and shops opening, the retailers are expecting more people to come out for shopping. But there is more uncertainty here about how many people will actually visit the stores, how many will shop online. Also, the threat of the new variant is still looming around. So, this year, I think it's going to be more challenging to predict about the season with certainty.
That's so right.
See, on top of this, the pandemic has already forced the customers to become more mindful in their shopping. They are thinking twice if they really need something.
Yeah.
Affected economies have forced them to become more cost conscious, and customers are looking for safer shopping experiences as well, obviously. See, this is definitely adding up to the uncertainty in the shopping.
Yeah, that's quite insightful perspective, Sudhanva. So in this situation, what should the retailers do to win during this period of uncertainty?
Kapil, this is an interesting question, and there may not be one right answer to this, but let's try to answer it in this way. Unlike the past years, where the retailers have made a killing in the shopping season, the upcoming shopping season will be defined by the effect of pandemic on the economies and the mindsets of customers. Customers will favor retailers who take efforts to understand these behavioral changes, these mindset changes, and are responding to it through appropriate retail solutions. Retailers need to take a purposeful action to build great customer experience and be able to scale this experience as well and weave in contactless shopping experience in the same customer experience.
So, what is your definition of a great customer experience? Because we keep hearing this term so much from so many people.
We need to realize that every customer is different. Some like to shop online, some offline. Some are sticklers for safety. Some enjoy talking to people. See, retailers need to realize it and personalize the shopping experience for all their customers. Great customer experience needs to listen to the mindful customers carefully to understand their shopping needs. It needs to present them multiple alternatives to address cost conscious behavior and also should enable safe shopping experience. A great customer experience actually is no good if it can't be scaled to every customer. To search the right products easily through thousands of products and that too consistently. It needs to scale and transcend boundaries of brick and click shopping. You see, it should not only scale in numbers and consistency, but any time of the day, customers should be able to get the same delightful experience. And a great shopping experience should also enable online payments, curbside shopping and handoffs, buy online and pick in store kind of experience. Does this answer your question, Kapil?
Yes, but aren't chatbots already there solving this problem?
See, chatbot is not an option for retail. See, chatbots are good when the number of products is limited and the buying process is simple and choice based. For example, a SaaS based service. Chatbots can be effective as a customer if the customer has to choose from 3 to 4 pricing options. Also, the responses are quite robotic and it cannot understand the context of the conversation. But in retail, the buying process is way too complex. So, I know your next question would be what would be the right solution in that case? See, for retail, you need something that will mimic the experience of talking to a salesperson. Every buyer is different, as I said, and expects a highly personalized experience. Right?
That's so true.
Conversational AI has matured as a technology and transformed the world of interactions. NLP, conversational AI, and machine learning powered sales assistants are great for this purpose. Conversations are more context aware and have a free flow. It can detect buyer intent, look up purchase history, and can propose the right products from thousands of options. And by the way, it can even initiate conversations when needed. That is a big difference between a chatbot and a conversational AI based solutions.
Great. So I can see that conversational AI can really empathize with the customer. So I think this can have a significant impact on retail. Like it can help in reducing abandoned carts by providing easy accessibility, right, and bringing a lot of customer experience. And also, you said it can ensure consistent brand experience across bricks and clicks, also. All right.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I think this can be a great help for bringing in more customer retention and brand loyalty, also, isn't it?
You're absolutely right, Kapil. See, but you missed a very important point. Whatever you said is very, very true. But a truly great customer experience can also help the retailer unearth some hidden opportunities.
Hidden opportunities. Like, what are you talking about?
See, providing an easy and delightful experience to senior and disabled customers, thus attracting those new categories of customers. That could be a fantastic opportunity.
So, do you think it is something a sizable category?
You'll be amazed by these numbers. Almost 61 million people in the US live with some or the other disability. Almost over 10 million of these people are with mobility disabilities or self care disabilities. See, that's a market, that's a huge market in itself that rarely finds shopping a pleasurable experience because of their disabilities, their mobility disabilities. These are the barriers for them to really enjoy the shopping. See, another classic example is if you look at the global scenarios, around 70 million people suffer from hearing losses.
70 million? That is a huge number.
That's a huge number. See, this is a large segment that cannot access customer support call centers which are voice based.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
So what's the solution? Smart solutions that use conversational AI can address their challenges and open new avenues for the retailers. This is a fantastic opportunity in itself.
Wow, that sounds great, Sudhanva. But can we see something in action? Like, after all, seeing is believing.
Hey, why not? Let me show you the smart sales assistant that CoreView has built to demonstrate the capabilities of conversation AI as well as CoreView's competence in it.
Oh, great. Let's have a look.
Sure.
Wow, Sudhanva, this is great and very promising. I hope that more and more retailers will take benefit of this.
Thank you so much, Kapil.